condition. Great condition. Man, here it is, guys. This is the truck. So I have the truck. It's pouring rain in Jersey. There's a storm, and the brakes are not working as expected. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get a motel, and in the morning I'm gonna come to Mr. Tire. I'm gonna have them look at the brakes. Could be, I didn't see any leaks, so it could be air in the brake lines. It could be anything. I'm hoping it's nothing major, but we'll see. Part of the journey, part of the amazing story that's going to come. All right, guys, so it's morning, obviously. Last night the brakes weren't working on the truck. I put some braking fluid in there, so today I'm gonna see if that worked, but I'm also gonna take it to Mr. Tire and see what they say. So it's about 7:10 right now. Yeah, again, hopefully it was just a braking fluid issue. I didn't see any leaks underneath, but time will tell when I go out there. So anyway. So I got an assessment on the truck, and everything is corroded underneath. The brake lines, the calipers, the brakes are actually locked up, so they have to replace everything. He's saying at least $2 grand. Not surprising. I kind of expected to replace all of that, just not now. Hopefully when I was done kind of doing the build out. So yeah, in the following video, there will be a link to the GoFundMe page. Again, not surprising. I expected to pay this, but I'll definitely be leaving the truck here in Jersey, and I'll come back in a couple weeks or so when I have the money and pick it up. But the good thing is, at least I'll have a new system under there. I mean, the guys were super nice too. Like they said they're gonna try and take care of me. He was like, "What are you doing? You're gonna live in it? You gonna live in this right here?" I'm walking to Starbucks down New Jersey State Road 47. I don't know what y'all call it out here, but walking to Starbucks just to go sit and wait for my mom. Before you guys come up with any bright ideas, I already checked on renting a car. Everybody's sold out. This is a beach town. It's summertime. Ain't no cars around here. All in all, I mean, I'm excited that the brakes, the brake lines, the master cylinder will all be new. Because it was rusted down there, but I was at least hoping it would work. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update. So here's what's happening. I've been ordering components for my truck, electrical system components, plumbing. I got the solar panels yesterday. Super excited about that. However, the mechanic has been looking at my truck. He hasn't given me an official quote yet, but he's been looking at my truck, and he's saying that I'm gonna be putting a lot of money into it. What I'm gonna do is probably sell the truck for scrap metal or a project vehicle. Hopefully I can recoup 50%, if not a little more than what I paid for it. I mean, it's a great truck, great engine, great body, but there's more issues than I'd like to address. And I found a new truck in Indiana, and it's a little more expensive than what I paid for the first one. However, it's probably what I would pay to get this current truck fixed, but it's newer, and I would probably spend less in the long run maintaining it because it's just in immaculate condition. Much cleaner engine. Much cleaner engine. This is like night and day. this is the truck that I'm looking at. So the door is open. Look at that. The beams are a little better too. Nothing like the rust on the other one. Look at this. This is nice. Going to the mechanic.
Okay, I'm gonna hand you something here. I gotta check something yet to see which engine is in this.
Okay.
Workhorse says it's a 4.8. I think it looks bigger than that as far as the name goes.
Okay.
According to the VIN,
Hey Joe. How are you? Appreciate you. Alright, what do I sign? 3. Alright, I'll do that. I appreciate you.
Well, you bet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank
I'll see you
so
soon,
much.
man.
You bet. Drive safe.
Thank you.